Hello guys, welcome back to Techque reviews. Today we have Pixel 6, which is the newest launch of Google. This device comes in two variants. First is 8GB 128GB storage and the second one is 8GB and 256GB storage. So we have got the 8GB 128GB storage. So without any further ado, let's begin to the unboxing. Starting our unboxing, we need to gently cut this seal here so we don't damage the box. We'll gently cut it over. It has seal on both sides. Yeah, it has seal on both sides. We'll gently cut over the plastic and we'll tear this apart. This off, and this is our packaging of Google Pixel 6. I have cut off the seals and here's the moment of truth. It's a smooth slide. Yes, here we go. So it looks gorgeous. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's a real piece of beauty right in front of our eyes. So we'll take off the device here. We'll keep it aside. Oh, this feels really light. This feels very light. Keeping this aside, the things that we have got in the box are OTG cable type A to type C. This comes with every Google Pixel phone. It has been a trend by Google. Can't say it's a bad trend, but the bad trend is here. We don't get a adapter. We only get type C to type C cable, and that's it, nothing else. We have the SIM remover toolkit. Yeah, here's the pin and this is the packaging. We'll keep this aside, nothing else in the box. So we'll keep all these things aside and we'll move on to our main device. So here it is. It looks quite gorgeous. It has a glass back, and now we'll move to the front and we'll peel this apart. Let me make you hear this peel sound. I don't know, I feel it very satisfying, so I showed you people. You guys might like it as well. So yeah, here is the device in our hand and it feels quite sturdy and it has a good in hand feel, good grip. Let's boot up the device and here we go. Here is our Google branding and here we have the startup menu, and let me give you a quick spec. What do we have on the sides? So here we have the volume button, this one, and then above this we have the power button. This time it's not accented, so a little bit disappointing, otherwise it's fine. And then on the left side we have this SIM tray, which has only one SIM slot and one eSIM slot, no extra storage, and then no headphone jack. So here we have our speaker grills and mic. This is the physical specifications. Now we'll set up this beast actually. So I have set up this device and it was quite easy to set up. You all know how this Google stock UI looks like. So we have the default Android 12. I'll tell more about the software and camera in the next video. This time they have given 90Hz refresh rate in Pixel 6 and 120Hz in Pixel 6 Pro. So the Pixel 6 comes with a tensor chip, that is Google's own processor they have built this year, and this works pretty smooth. I will let you know in the next video. about doing some heavy processing and gaming and photos and videos, all that I'll tell you. The last thing we come to is that from where can you purchase Pixel 6? You can definitely get it from Amazon, but there are many sellers selling Pixel 6, but I would recommend you the sellers like Deals of You. I will put a screenshot of that dealer, and the other one is World Bazaar. These two are the genuine seller of Google Pixel 6. So yeah, I would recommend you, those two sellers are the best. They can provide you with a genuine handset that is very reliable. So that's it, we conclude this video. So this is pretty much it, and we'll talk more about Pixel 6 in the next video. How does it perform in gaming, how is its camera, and more small details in the next video. This was just a basic purchase guide unboxing. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.